So you can see on this side, I've got an oil leak coming from the timing cover. And on this side, we've got a water leak coming from one of the jackets right up here. You can see. So we're gonna get all this stuff taken care of, man. I'll tell you what, it's been a long time coming.
7-8 Stinking Lincoln here. Be sure to click that link below and subscribe to my channel. Smash that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified of all my new videos as they come out. This one I'll be releasing later on tonight. Thanks.